Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
So this is a numerical which is based on the average atomic mass. So let us see and let us find out the answer. They have provided us as the average atomic mass of the chlorine atom is 35.5 unified mass. While from that we have to calculate what will be the mass in gram, and we have to calculate what will be the atomic mass of the element. And in this case they have given us a detail also, that is for one unified mass we have we can convert into gram as 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So it will be very much easy to calculate what will be the mass of the chlorine in grams. So let us see that the atomic mass of chlorine atom that they have given us for chlorine atom is nothing but somewhere around 35.5 unified mass. So if we want to convert into gram, so the detail that they have given to us is 35.5 should be multiplied by 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So let us see what is the answer that we could get. We have got a value of 5.893 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. So this is the answer that we have got. And now moving towards the next one that they have asked us, that is we have to calculate the atomic mass of the element. So let me tell you, this atomic mass was of a chlorine atom, and when we are talking about elements, so this mass which is present in gram, and for an element it will be, there will be 1 mole of the chlorine atom. And how does 1 mole of chlorine atom contains, or how does 1 mole of an element contains? It contains 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So therefore we could easily calculate what would be the mass, or what could be the atomic mass of that element. So the atomic mass of chlorine element will be nothing but the mass that we have, that is mass in grams, that is 5.893 into 10 raised to minus 23 into the total number of atoms that are present in 1 mole, or that are present in an element, in 1 mole of an element. That is nothing but 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. So after calculating this thing, we could get that 10 raised to minus 3 and 10 raised to 23 will be cancelled out. And now it will be very much easy to calculate these two things, as this has found to be somewhere 35.5. But the unit, because we are calculating it the atomic mass for chlorine in an element form, so therefore it would be 35.5 gram per mole. So they have difference, because this 35.5 unified mass was for a chlorine atom, but for when we are talking about the element, this would be 35.5 gram per mole. So this is how we have calculated two details, that is for chlorine atom. Such an easy numerical. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video, and please do share with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.